Hello, friends. How are you all? Good? Yes, dear all. I am also very good. Now, who is she? She is Rini. Rini is quite worried about compound noun. What to do? But mom said it is very easy. It's a fun. How? Rini is thinking. But mom is showing her some pictures and explaining about the compound noun. First, mom said a compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. Fine. कंपाउंड नाउन ऐसे होते हैं जो दो और दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड से टू और मोर देन टू वर्ड से मीन्स ऐड करके कंपाउंड नाउन होता है. फाइन. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कंपाउंड नाउन जो है ये नाउन और एडजेक्टिव और नाउन ये दो वर्ड्स मिला के होते हैं. फाइन. रिनी, कम हियर. यस मम्मा. ओके, नाउ टेल me Rini, what is this? Oh, it's a bed. Bed. Fine, dear. Now, and this one, this big one, don't know. This is room. Oh, yes mama, this is room. Okay. Then together it's called bedroom. What is this? Butter. I love butter, mama. And what is this, Rini? Milk. And together this is called buttermilk. Do you understand? Yes, buttermilk means chach. Fine. Now this, what is this? What is this? This is a picture of cup. And what is this, beta? Board, mama. It's called cupboard. It's called cupboard. Spelling है cupboard, but we are pronounce this one like cupboard. इसको हम pronunciation कैसे करते हैं? Cupboard. Fine. What is this, Rini? Oh, mama, you are cooking here with it, है ना? You are cooking on it, ना mama? इसमें आप खाना बनाते हो ना? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Pan. Yes. What is this, Rini? Oh, mama, it's a yummy cake. I know. हाँ, then together it's called, ये दोनों को मिला के क्या बोलोगे आप? Pancake. Whoa. Okay. What is this? This is arm. What is this? This is arm. This is not arm, beta. This one is arm. Tell arm. Yes, and what is this? This is chair. Yes, mama, this is a chair. This is a, no beta, this is not chair. This is chair. Okay, mama. It's called, yes. What is this? Mama, butter. And what is this? It is a fly. Yes, and together it's called butterfly. Yes. है ना? नाउ आप देखो रिनी, वॉट एवर आई सेड, ये कंपाउंड नाउन जो है ये दो वर्ड मिला के एक नाउन होता है, एक वर्ड होता है. सॉरी बेटा, एक वर्ड होता है. फाइन. राइट. सी दिस वन, बटर प्लस फ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई. ओके. पैन प्लस केक, पैन केक. आया समझ में? ये मम्मा, इट्स टू इजी. थैंक यू मम्मा.